pivot, I we want to search element larger than pivot, and j as element smaller than pivot. And this is the partition wall. So we put p at the first element in the list, I as the second element, and j as the last element. So now we want to find I, elements bigger than p. So 2 is not bigger than p, so we move to the right. 3 is not bigger than p, so we move again. Now 9 is bigger than p, so that is I. As for j, we want to find elements smaller than p. Now 6 is smaller than p, so that is our j. So now we swap I with j. So I is elements larger than p. Now 6 is smaller than 7, so we move to the right. Now 21 is bigger than 7, so that is our I. Now we want to find j, elements smaller than p. Now 9 is bigger than p, so we move to the left. Now 12 is still bigger than p, so we move further. Now 13 is bigger than p, so we move to the left. Now 21 is still bigger than p, so we move again. Now 6 is smaller than p, so that is our j. Now I and j have crossed. I must be left of j. We put partition left of I, and then we swap p with the last element in the partition. So now that new element is now sorted. So now 6 is the new p, I is 2, and j is 3. So we want to find elements bigger than p, I. So 2 is smaller than 6, we move to the right. So 3 is smaller than 6, so we move to the right. Now 7 is bigger than 6, so that is our I. And now for j, element 3 is smaller than p, so that is our j. So now I and j have crossed, so we put a partition left of I, and then we swap p with the last element in the partition. So now 6 is sorted. So that leaves us with 2 elements, so we can sort them as usual. So now they are sorted. And now to the unsorted elements, p is 21, I is 13, 9 is j. So now we want to find I, elements bigger than p. So 13 is not bigger than p, so we move to the right. Now 12 is also not bigger than p, so we move again. And then 9 is not bigger than p, so we move it to the end of the list. So I stays there. As for j, we want to find elements smaller than p. Now 9 is smaller than p, so that is our j. Now I and j have crossed, so you put a partition left of I. Swap p with the last element in the partition. Now 21 is now sorted. So now 9 is our new p, 13 is I, and j is 12. So now we want to find I. Now 13 is bigger than 9, so that is our I. Now as for j, We want to find elements smaller than P. Now 12 is not smaller than P, so we move to the left. And 13 is not smaller than P, so we move again. So 9 is still not smaller than 9, so we move to the left. So now 7 is smaller than 9, so that is our J. Now I and J have crossed, so we put a partition left of I. And then we swap P with itself. So now 9 is sorted. So that leaves us with 13 and 12. So we sort the two elements like normal. So now we have sorted elements from 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, and 21.